Everyone in this video I'll be showing you how can you get face tracking on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to this three dot, and if you're on phone, you have to again use Roblox Player app or app. So just go to now in setting. Now you have to go to this privacy option. Now once in the privacy, you have to scroll down and come to this point. Microphone and camera input, as you can see. So to get face tracking, you have to enable the second permission camera uh, by clicking on this or tapping on this toggle button. So once you enable it, the green dot shows that uh, Roblox is using your camera. So you just need to once you enable it, you just need to come out of this and now open any game that supports face tracking and just see if in the specification if the camera is supported in the game or not. So once you got the game, you just need to make sure that as the game is open, guys. Just to get face tracking, I'll show you. To get face tracking, you just need to tap on this video icon at a card at this. I'm talking about this. Just enable it, just clicking on it, and you will get your face tracking. As you can see, I'm moving my hand. As you can see, it's moving with my face. And right now, uh, yeah. So yeah, that's where you can get it. And if I move my hand up, you can see it moving completely perfectly. And yeah, hope you like it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye. And this green dot shows that Roblox is using your camera. This green concept. Fine. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching.